Hello YouTube and Facebook. This song is called Dead Flowers. I did not write it.
So we're sitting there, circle post and chair. You're talking to some rich folk, you know. I hope you don't see me, my ragged company. You know I can never be alone. Take me down, little Susie, take me down. Yeah, I know you think you're the queen of the underground. Send me dead flowers every morning. Send me dead flowers by the mail. Send me dead flowers to my wedding. I won't forget to put roses on your grave. I said, well, sitting back, your rose pink Cadillac. You're making bets on Kentucky Derby Day. I'll be in my basement room, some weed and a bottle of booze, and another girl to take pain away. Take me down, little Susie, take me down. Yeah, I know you think you're the queen of the underground. Send me the flowers every morning. Send me the flowers by the mail. Send me the flowers to my wedding. I won't forget to put roses on your grave. I won't forget to put roses on your grave.
Thank you.